Hey guys, what's going on? Back here with another quick unboxing and review. What we got here today is a IP camera, security camera, full HD according to the description, 1080p video with day-night vision. The manufacturer is TENVIS. It is a Wi-Fi wireless camera. According to what it says on the description, it's going to be real simple to install. So they do have from different countries in case power plugs can be different. So while you're ordering, make sure you select the right one. I picked up the US one. Anyways, it does come with a promotional thing. If you leave a comment, a review, they might give you might be awarded a camera. It does have a bracket to hang it out, to either put on the ceiling or on the wall. This one, it uses a USB power plug. It does not consume a lot of power at all. Only 5 volts at 1 amp. Pretty good. This is the other connector, pretty much that's a USB that goes to it, and the camera itself. So this is a pretty much small camera. They do include some anchors and your screws, and along with a SIM card tray pin thingy. I'm not sure why it doesn't even have a SIM card. It does have a TF card, SD card, which you can put in to record. This is a 360-degree camera. It will go up and down, side to side, pretty good. It does have night vision as well, so that's pretty good. Speakers and a microphone, so you could talk back or hear what's going on outside. So that's all pretty good stuff so far. Like I said, it is a seller in Amazon by TENVIS. Price is $37.99. Pretty good. So like I said, 5 volts, 1 amp. So you can literally use a powered battery bank and hook it up to your camera, and they will power it on. Pretty cool, right? You could take it camping and keep an eye out for your surroundings, so you're not scared when you hear something outside. Haha. Anyways, for night vision LED lights, or whatever you call them, for you to see nighttime, they are pretty good. I have another video where it has like a bunch of them, and you couldn't see that well, but this one only has 4, and you can still see pretty good at nighttime, night vision pretty much. And anyways, I'm gonna show you how to set it up real quick. So there's 2 ways you could do it. You could do it by the application with the phone itself. Real simple. All you gotta do is just download the app, get into the app, and then scan your code, the QR code, I believe it's called. Just scan it and it'll do pretty much everything by itself. This one, it does not show the model on it, so you just click under other and then go through there. So as soon as it does that, it's gonna make this sound, which is gonna link up your wireless to your phone to the camera. So pretty much it'll just pretty much do everything by itself. You used to have to put in the port code and all that stuff. It was a lot complicated back then. Now it's real simple. So like I said, either do it wirelessly, or you could plug it in through the Ethernet port, but you have to run that through to your router itself as well. But this one, pretty simple. Just run it through your phone and it'll sync it up, get the passcode from the Wi-Fi, and that's it. Done deal. Pretty easy, but it's pretty good. I do like it. The only thing I do not like is the application itself. The application, you cannot see or monitor the cameras if you have more than one continuously. It won't load up. You actually have to click on it for it to for you to be able to monitor it, see it. But still, one fail thing that I give, I guess, 1 thumbs down for that. But other than that, I do like the quality. It's pretty responsive, quick. Love it. Anyways, guys, make sure to check them out. A link in the description down below. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more how-to and tech videos.